Find My Hearing Aid. Find My Hearing Aids is a feature that assists users in finding their misplaced hearing aids. To use this feature, Step 1. Select the More menu from the home screen. Step 2. Select Find My Hearing Aids. The Beyond app will show a map of the last place the hearing aids were when they were in communication range of the phone. This is designed to give you an approximate location of the hearing aids. If necessary, utilize the plus or minus button in the lower right-hand corner of the screen to zoom in or out on the displayed map. Step 3. When you are physically within the approximate location of the hearing aids based on the map view, select Search at the top of the screen to enter a more precise locator feature. The search function will allow you to search for the right and left hearing aids separately. The screen will indicate if the hearing aid is far away or close as you move around. Please note, you must walk slowly during this process. When you are close to the hearing aid, the Beyond app will indicate that the hearing aids are here. Step 4. Once you have found your hearing aids, select Back in the top left corner to return to the menu selection page. Please be aware that this feature pinpoints the last location in which the hearing aids were connected to the phone. It is possible that the hearing aids might have been moved after the connection to the phone was lost. Congratulations! You can now use the Find My Hearing Aid feature on the Beyond app. For more information, please go to www.whitex.com for more Beyond videos and FAQ.